सरकारना ती होनरंब याई but सरकारना होनरिबसे गवर्नरना ताबिद्रेब.
Slamming the state BJP government for convening assembly session as per their whims, a former chief minister and CLP leader 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗠𝗟𝗬 contended that the nature of democracy here is controversial and is not seen in any other state of India. He said that 5 Congress MLAs will deliberate on the steps to be taken in interest of the people. The former chief minister was speaking at the observance of the 6th death anniversary of former chief minister and former member of Parliament 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗡 at Congress Bhavan on BT Road today. Floral tributes were offered to the portrait of the former Congress leader on the occasion. President of MPCC MLA 𝗣𝗢𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗡, CWC member 𝗣𝗢𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗡, Deputy CLP leader MLA 𝗣𝗢𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗡, senior Congress leaders among others attended the observance. Observing that it is already too late to convene the assembly session now, and as such it is not a normal session, 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗡 said that it is confusing whether or not there will be a business advisory committee as the session is being called at such short notice. Speaking about the observance, he said the tireless contributions of veteran politician 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗡 in protecting the integrity of the state and the nation should not be forgotten and should be respected at all times.
Opinion that the government session let us see. Cabinet decision low governor Kari Harkadaki Haido, Manasomon Tauda, Karamba Monga, short notice and a Haidna, Haibidi, Karamba Monga, or Tataki Haido, Yang Mataya, Matang business advisory, Lakidra, Leroy, Sinus in Mayamna, the controversial way. I don't know, point of it. Loina Sea, have a community. Tung price too early. Norman session where a Magadipo, for young Nuagadam Nadu, honorable member Mangase, Yam Davanina. At least a finally puppy interest, or state city interest, Lady Bapibam Mayam since a CLP meeting told up for Canaraga. Karampa issue that personal a puppy state city about the way Anava, which is where Canaraga.
Also speaking on the occasion, President of MPCC MLA 𝗣𝗢𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗡 pointed out that a government cannot decline a cabinet decision or a CM's proposal. Taking a jibe at the BJP government if it was not really a double-engine government, he said that the state government could have convened a normal session by approaching either the High Court of Manipur or the Supreme Court if the Chief Minister had the guts, stating that the session called at short notice is either special or emergency. 𝗣𝗢𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗡 maintained that the governor not giving assent to a normal session is the violation of the rights of MLAs to address and discuss issues. Democracy has become meaningless in the state, he said.
Normal session it is for this emergency and the special session so not decided. Aduna hojik emergency session si governor na hana normal session pikidrabnina. Hojik supira kadra piro idra haibududi governor ki decision to ngai batari. Aduna normal session pidaba haibasi karigumba khara di leire. Aduna normal session pikidaba haibase it is already deprived. The rights mayam MLAs in Haigadaba, Hanagadaba, Levaxi issue, High Punamoxi, normal session like Hidrina, Masi already right mayam, Matre, Aduna Huzik, emergency, Lakani, High City, Sarkarna, the honorable yai, but Sarkarna, Honoribase, Governor 𝗣𝗢𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗡𝗡 𝗪𝗓𝗓